From Hong Kong Free Press. Just to follow up on your question on Lord Sumption's comment. So, in particular, he and Lord Collins in 2012 said that continued participation would be in the interest of the people in Hong Kong. And besides the reasons you just mentioned, you cite Lord Collins as saying, he also cited Hong Kong's political situation as part of the reason of his resignation. So what has changed in the 2 years? And does the foreign judges' resignation pose a challenge to Hong Kong in its recruitment of foreign overseas judges to sit on the Court of Final Appeal? Does this undermine the confidence in Hong Kong's common law system?
Well, Hong Kong has become safer, more stable, and that will help business to make good decisions because of the certainty and the security that Hong Kong is now enjoying. The Hong Kong government has issued a very long and detailed statement to indicate our disagreement with Lord Sumption's article. What I would like to add is judges' professional expertise is on law, based on his legal knowledge and experience. Judges' professional expertise is not on politics. A judge is entitled to his personal political preferences, but that is not a judge's area of professional expertise. A judge can like a particular system or dislike it. He may also like a particular law or not. But his professional duty is to interpret and apply that particular piece of law in accordance with legal principles and evidence, whether he likes that law or not from his political stance. In 2021, Lord Sumption refused to take part in a political boycott orchestrated in the UK, and he said then that people should not confuse rule of law with democracy. He said there was no democracy during the British rule in Hong Kong. But he said the rule of law was maintained at that time by judges deciding on cases according to the law and evidence. Democracy and rule of law should not be confused. His latest statement indicates that he doesn't like the political situation in Hong Kong. But this is exactly the area he has told us in 2021 that should not be confused with the rule of law. His recent statement looks to me to be contradictory to his previous stance in this regard. Indeed, people who try to damage the rule of law of Hong Kong are among those in the UK government, the UK politicians, and some anti-China, anti-Hong Kong media. They openly threaten to impose sanctions on judges before, during, and after the trials. These are blatant attempts to attack the rule of law in Hong Kong. The SARG has never and will not interfere or attempt to interfere with judges' conduct of trial. We have not done it, and we will not do it. Non-interference of the judicial process is the DNA of Hong Kong's rule of law. There were 3 judges who have indicated their wishes to leave. Other than Lord Sumption, Judge Collins, he resigned, but he said he continues to have the fullest confidence in the court and the total independence of its members. Judge McLaughlin has said that she will retire from the job because of her age when her term expires. Yet, she expressed her confidence in the members of the court, their independence, and their determination to uphold the rule of law. This is a time when I feel so proudly of our judges. They do their job professionally, according to their judicial oath, without fear, and will uphold justice using their legal knowledge and experience, and adjudicate cases based on evidence and legal principles. They have been standing up to threats and despicable interferences from overseas that try to pressure them. I respect each and every one of them for their courage, for their determination to uphold the rule of law in Hong Kong. Some UK officials and politicians try to weaponize the UK judicial influence to target China and Hong Kong as they are. We should not allow it to happen. We shall protect judges all round from these undue interferences. Our judges needed to be supported by all of us for their courage, their determination for upholding the rule of law at a time of open interferences from a number of countries using threats and different kinds of pressure. It is sad and disappointing that our judges are abandoned by a few overseas counterparts and have been so unfairly treated by somebody with whom our judges used to serve our judicial system together. But the whole of Hong Kong will support them. We shall support without reservation our encourages, upright and professional judges of Hong Kong for upholding the rule of law.